Talesong 36. Humboldt's gift. I roam the city, booze in my hand, thinking about Humboldt, the genius, the man. We chased ideas, dreams big and bold, stories of life, of silver and gold. He taught me art, and poetry, and fame. Yet fame's a monster, and life's a game. Money and critics, writers in stress, Humboldt believed, I confess. I fight my demons, I drink and I write. Memories of him keep me upright. City lights flicker, ideas ignite, life's messy, confusing, wrong and right. I mourn, I laugh, I try to create. Fame comes late, or maybe too late. Humboldt's gift lives in my soul. Art keeps me breathing, makes me whole. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.